Everyone dreams of being strong. It's something we've all considered at least once in our life. Strength isn't just about muscles. It's also about mental resilience. Being strong means people can depend and rely on you, and you'll feel proud knowing you're reliable. Your family, friends, and loved ones will respect and admire you. You become a trustworthy walking unit that your close ones can rely on. To begin, let's talk about physical strength. To build stronger muscles, you need to do specific exercises that tear your muscle fibers at a microscopic level, which then grow back stronger. There are many types of exercises like calisthenics, bodybuilding, and powerlifting, each targeting muscles in different ways. I prefer a hybrid of calisthenics and bodybuilding because I believe it's one of the best ways to increase your strength and become stronger than before, if I'm consistent with it. Train to become agile and strong to protect yourself and your dear ones from dangerous situations. Adding weights to exercises like pull-ups and push-ups can greatly enhance muscle strength. These two are the core exercises for building a great back and chest and insane push and pull strength, which will inevitably make you stronger overall and give you absolute strength. Weighted calisthenics can make you incredibly strong. After doing push-ups and weighted push-ups for almost half a year, I switched to doing bench press to effectively increase my push strength because push-ups didn't work well with my body. I would say do what is best for your body, try out things, and if it works for you, stick to it. Bodybuilding is another option if you're aiming for size and muscle mass. It targets specific muscles, unlike calisthenics, which engages the whole body. However, remember to do flexibility exercises alongside bodybuilding to avoid losing flexibility. Rest and nutrition are also crucial for muscle building. Get enough sleep and eat a balanced diet rich in protein, carbs, and healthy fats. Protein sources like eggs, lean meats, nuts, and fish help repair muscle fibers, while carbs and fats provide energy. So how to make these muscles useful? Physical strength alone isn't enough. You need technical skills too. Self-defense or martial arts are essential. Everyone wants to be capable of protecting their loved ones. There are many martial arts to choose from, like boxing, wrestling, kickboxing, Muay Thai, and Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. Each teaches different skills, from striking and kicking to grappling and wrestling. Kickboxing is a great martial art that covers both striking and kicking and improves your defense. Muay Thai, known for its use of elbows and knees, is also very effective. However, striking alone might not be enough. You also need to be good at grappling and wrestling. Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu is excellent for ground techniques and can help you defeat larger and stronger opponents. It requires quick thinking and decision-making. Judo and wrestling are also good for learning throwing techniques. Mental strength is just as important as physical strength. Being mentally tough means focusing on your goals and not letting anything distract you. If you struggle with laziness, push through it and stay focused on what you want to achieve. Mental strength is about ignoring difficulties, pains, and obstacles. It's about taking your mind to a place where no one else has reached. Most people won't follow through because it's tough, but mental strength will make you truly strong. A strong person never gives up and stays focused on their goals, no matter what. To further enhance your physical strength, consistency is key. It's not just about working out once in a while. You need to establish a routine and stick to it. This means setting aside time each day or several times a week, dedicated solely to physical training. Whether you choose calisthenics, bodybuilding, or another form of exercise, consistency will lead to significant improvements over time. Don't be discouraged by slow progress. Every bit of effort counts, and your body will gradually adapt and grow stronger. Beyond the physical, your mental approach to training is crucial. Visualization is a powerful tool used by athletes worldwide. Before starting your workout, take a few moments to visualize yourself completing your exercises with perfect form and great strength. This mental rehearsal prepares your mind and body for the actual performance. It builds confidence and helps you stay focused, ensuring you give your best effort during each session. Mastering a martial art not only builds physical strength but also enhances discipline, focus, and strategic thinking. These arts teach you how to remain calm under pressure, make quick decisions, and anticipate your opponent's moves. These skills are transferable to everyday life, helping you handle stressful situations with a clear mind and decisive action. In addition to kickboxing and Muay Thai, consider the benefits of arts like Judo and Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. Judo focuses on using your opponent's force against them, making it an excellent choice for learning how to deal with larger opponents. Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, on the other hand, is known for its focus on ground fighting. It's particularly useful because many real-life confrontations end up on the ground, and knowing how to handle yourself in these situations can be a lifesaver. Mental strength, as we discussed, is about more than just focusing on your goals. It's about resilience, the ability to bounce back from setbacks. Everyone faces challenges and failures, but what sets strong individuals apart is their ability to learn from these experiences and keep moving forward. Developing a growth mindset is essential. This means viewing failures as opportunities to learn and improve, rather than as insurmountable obstacles. To build mental toughness, practice mindfulness and meditation. These practices help you become more aware of your thoughts and feelings, allowing you to manage stress and maintain focus. They also improve your emotional regulation, helping you stay calm and composed in difficult situations. Start with just a few minutes a day, gradually increasing the time as you become more comfortable. Additionally, setting short-term achievable goals can help maintain your motivation. Long-term goals are important, but they can sometimes feel overwhelming. Breaking them down into smaller, more manageable steps makes them more attainable and gives you a sense of accomplishment along the way. Celebrate these small victories to keep your spirits high and your motivation strong. Remember, being strong is not just about the body or the mind separately, but a harmonious combination of both. This balance ensures you are well-rounded and capable of facing any challenge that comes your way. Your journey to strength is a continuous one, filled with learning and growth. Another important element of strength is community. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your goals and values. This could be a workout group, a martial arts class, or an online community. Having a support system provides encouragement, accountability, and shared knowledge. You can learn from each other's experiences and stay motivated to continue your journey. Let's not forget the importance of recovery in your training regimen. Physical strength isn't built during workouts, but during the recovery period. Ensure you get adequate rest, hydrate well, and consider incorporating activities like stretching to aid in recovery. These practices help prevent injuries, keep your body flexible, and prepare you for the next workout. Finally, let's touch on the practical applications of strength in daily life. Whether it's helping a friend move, protecting a loved one, or simply having the energy and stamina to enjoy your hobbies, strength plays a vital role. It boosts your confidence and independence, allowing you to take on tasks that might have seemed daunting before. Strength gives you the capability to live life to its fullest, facing challenges head-on without hesitation. In summary, mastering the art of strength is a multifaceted endeavor involving physical training, mental resilience, technical skills, and recovery. By consistently working on these areas and staying committed to your goals, you'll develop into a person who is not only physically strong, but also mentally tough and technically proficient. Embrace the journey, and you'll find that the benefits extend far beyond physical appearance or abilities, enriching all aspects of your life. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this guide helpful and inspiring. Remember, true strength comes from within, and with dedication and effort, you can achieve incredible things. If you like this video, hit the like button. It helps others find this content, and that helps me too. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.